everyone, Aviv's here, and today I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can do the best lead gen to your business. And it doesn't matter what business you have, this lead gen is working amazing with our offers. And as you can see in the results in front of your screen right now, we achieve at least 37% lead gen, which means it's amazing. When we do Facebook ads, when we do Google ads, when we do solo ads, actually we get the best results with this lead gen, because this lead gen is really interesting and we are not request from the customer the email on the first step. So actually we make him to engaged, and this lead gen is based on quiz. All right, so let's get into it. I want to show you first the funnel. All right, the exact funnel. This is what we offer to the inside our offers. I make $20,000 a month, and this is not me making the money. This is someone that actually promote this course, and I'm doing an affiliate offer here. And this one is actually a good system that works. So, do you currently have an online business? Most of the people say yes or no, it doesn't matter. It goes to the next section, question, but mostly people is, when you start with yes or no question, it's actually make them to engage, because it's interesting. Okay, what do you want to ask me again? More questions, okay, more interesting. So it doesn't matter if you do real estate or other things, other business, if you have the right questions, you can get higher conversion rate on your lead gen. Okay, so how many hours you work a week? So let's say, for example, 40 to 50 hours. And what is the income goal that you want to make? All right, this is for newbies who want to start an online business, between 5 to 10K. And do you agree to leave us a testimonial based on of the results you achieve? Blah blah blah. You know, some interesting things that actually should be in your quiz. Okay, yes, and then the pop-up coming, and this is the lead gen. So we find that actually quiz is working really good after you engage with your customer first and you ask him a couple of questions, and actually you have more information from your customer. So it's actually an amazing lead gen that works for us really good. More than that, after I leave the email, so of course you have two options. You can option number one, send him an email, or of course you can send them to another landing page with your offer. In our case, for example, what we do, we just see that actually we process the application, and it shows them like he needs to wait to get the results. 1 minute, 12 seconds. Let's wait and see actually the offer coming. What happened on this stage, actually, he really curious, he really interesting. Okay, what's going on right now? I put my email, I want the results, and as long as you give to your customers actually wait, so it's that better, because after that they wait to the offer. Okay, I want to see the results, what's going on right now. And actually here we give the offer. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a video that you provide them or some landing page with an offer. Okay, what do you say if you want to sell them something? Okay, if you want to give them free product, if you want to give them offer to purchase house, whatever you do, okay, in your business. So I want to walk you through step by step what we do. All right, so we do that with ClickFunnels. All right, if you go to ClickFunnels and you actually build a funnel, all what you need to do is create a new funnel. By the way, if you want to start with ClickFunnels, you can find the link below. Start with ClickFunnels for 40 days. Okay, so sell a product, collect emails, host a webinar. What you do is collect emails. All right, and you just do a quiz. It's really fast, it's no more than 5 minutes. All what you need to create is your questions. All right, when you come here and you pick the collect emails, you have the opt-in page and you have the thank you page. You go to the search template and you're looking for quiz, and here you have the survey that actually they already pre-built for you. Inside ClickFunnels they have tons of funnels with opt-in page and offer pages and good offers, and all what you do is just select one of the template of the quiz, because you can customize that after that. Okay, it's not a problem. After that you go to edit page, and here you can play and start to put your logo. All right, after you put your logo, you play with your text. For example, let's say would you like to purchase house this year? Okay, some nice question. All right, yeah, why not? All right, so actually you start to engage with them with interesting question that should be only just to make them click one click. All right, yes or no. Start with yes or no, because when you make them feel engaged, actually you can lead them to more questions. For example, if you want to sell them house, for example, so you ask them what is the I don't know how much money they have, what is the area they looking for the house, and more than that. If you doing real estate, if you're doing e-commerce, so actually you can ask some questions to your particular customer, all right, your potential customer, and after you finish the quiz, of course you take the lead gen and give them a free product as a thank you. All right, and of course after that you come here and you can customize your survey. All right, and you can manage questions here. Of course, this is the first question. Okay, and answers is here. And of course, inside ClickFunnels, you have the direct redirect after you get the answer. So you can end the survey, and actually after that, to end up with a pop-up. All right, let me show you how to do that. So let's say this is the first question. Okay, I'm not going to change that because you need to put your questions. Let's go and create additional question. All right, what you do, equation about something. Okay, of course this is every business have his own questions, have his own way how he asks the questions, and of course answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, and of course on the end I will give you this funnel exactly that you can copy that, or even if you want you can import the funnel to your account. Okay, I will give you my funnel as a share. All right, so of course you come here, let's say this is the last question, 5th question or something, so you want to end the survey. All right, and then you go back. Okay, now this is the triggers. Okay, inside the triggers you have a couple of things. Okay, what is the actions that you can take? You can add your Google and Facebook pixels inside, and of course you can make more questions after the trigger. But what interesting you is actually the outcome action. Okay, after the customer and the survey, what actually you looking for, you can send them to a landing page, or you can open the pop-up that you create as a lead gen. All right, of course, as I told you before, you can take my funnel. If you go down, you can see my funnel from the video, and of course you can take and import that to your account and just customize the questions and stay with the same funnel. Right, open the pop-up, submit the page form, whatever you want. Okay, and of course you can send them to your offers, or take the email and connect them to your CRM. Okay, now let's finish that. About the connections, of course you can go back to ClickFunnels, and what you can, all right, let's go outside, let me show you. You come here, you go to your account settings, and inside your account settings you have all the integrations that you need. Okay, if you want you can add a new integration for email, and they have a lot of integrations, and they're working with a lot of apps inside ClickFunnels, and of course you can use them. Okay, so this was my case study how actually we generate 36% of this lead gen. Of course we give our offers after we promote some video, but it doesn't matter because we already have the email in our end, and of course after that we know exactly who is the customer. Okay, what his needs, how much money you have to purchase a house, or what is the product he interested for. So I think this strategy is actually the best strategy for lead gen right now, because we see an amazing results with it. All right, if you have any question you can top in the comments, and please subscribe. Want to see you inside. Thank you guys.